Let's be honest. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine or a cabinet overflowing with expensive, half-used serums to get clear, healthy skin. The internet is saturated with complex advice, endless product recommendations, and trends that promise miracles overnight. It's overwhelming, confusing, and often it's just noise designed to make you feel like you're not doing enough, or that the secret to perfect skin is just one more purchase away. We're here to cut through that noise. The truth is, effective skincare isn't about complexity or cost. It's about understanding the fundamentals of your own skin and building a simple, sustainable practice that works for you. Forget the shelfies packed with dozens of products and the pressure to follow every new fad. We're going back to basics, focusing on proven science and consistent habits. You just need the right habits, the right products, and a little consistency. That's the core philosophy we believe in. The right habits means creating a routine that fits seamlessly into your life, not one that feels like a chore. It's about treating your skin with intention, whether you have 5 minutes in the morning or 20 minutes to unwind at night. The right products don't have to be the most hyped or the most expensive. They need to be the right ones for your specific skin type and concerns. We'll help you learn how to read ingredient lists and identify what your skin is truly asking for. And consistency? That's the non-negotiable secret ingredient. Showing up for your skin day in and day out, even when you don't see immediate results, is what creates lasting change. It's this simple 3-part formula that transforms skin. This is the no BS guide to getting clear. Glowing skin fast. No filters, no gatekeeping, just facts that actually work. We're stripping away the myths and the marketing jargon to give you straightforward, actionable advice. In this guide, we won't just tell you to do, we'll explain the behind every step. Why is cleansing so critical? How does sunscreen actually protect you? What's the difference between hydration and moisture? Understanding these principles empowers you to make smarter decisions for your skin, long after you've finished watching. We believe skincare knowledge should be accessible to everyone, without a paywall or a secret password. This is your all-access pass to the information that dermatologists and estheticians share with their clients. We're laying it all out, step by step, so you can finally feel confident and in control of your skin health journey. Welcome back to Glow Therapy, your calm corner of the internet, for skincare education and glow-up tips. If you're new here, we're a community dedicated to mindful beauty and evidence-based skincare. Our mission is to help you cultivate not just glowing skin, but a healthier relationship with your reflection. We're so glad you've chosen to spend some time with us today. Over the next few minutes, we will walk you through a complete roadmap to achieving your skin goals. We'll start by identifying your unique skin type, then build a foundational morning and evening routine. We'll cover the common mistakes that might be sabotaging your progress and introduce targeted treatments for concerns like acne, dark spots, and dryness. We'll even touch on how lifestyle factors like sleep and stress impact your complexion. So, take a deep breath, grab a notebook if you'd like, and get ready to transform your approach to skincare. Your journey to clear, radiant skin starts right now. Welcome to the most crucial first step in your entire skincare journey, truly understanding your skin. Before you even think about adding a new serum or moisturizer to your cart, you need to know your skin type. This isn't just a buzzword, it's the fundamental blueprint for building a routine that delivers real results. Without this knowledge, you're essentially navigating in the dark, guessing which products might work. This often leads to a cabinet full of expensive, half-used bottles and a cycle of frustration. You might be using a heavy cream on oily skin, causing breakouts, or a harsh, stripping cleanser on dry skin, leading to irritation and tightness. Identifying your skin type is the difference between fighting against your skin and finally starting to work in harmony with it. It's the key to unlocking its healthiest, most balanced state. So, let's take a moment to properly diagnose what your skin is telling you. First, let's talk about oily skin. If you find your face looking shiny or feeling greasy, especially by midday, you likely have an oily skin type. This happens because your sebaceous glands are a bit overactive, producing more oil, or sebum, than your skin needs. You might also notice that your pores appear more prominent, particularly around your nose, chin, and forehead. This excess oil can unfortunately trap dead skin cells and debris, making you more prone to blackheads, whiteheads, and acne breakouts. The upside? That extra sebum provides natural moisture, which often means oily skin shows signs of aging, like fine lines, more slowly than other types. On the opposite end of the spectrum is dry skin. Does your skin often feel tight, especially after cleansing? Do you notice rough patches, flakiness, or a dull, lackluster appearance? These are the classic signs of dry skin. Unlike oily skin, dry skin produces less sebum, which compromises its natural moisture barrier. This barrier is essential for locking in hydration and protecting your skin from environmental stressors. When it's weakened, your skin loses water more easily, leading to that uncomfortable tightness and a texture that can feel rough to the touch. Fine lines may also be more visible. Now, what if you experience both? That's combination skin, one of the most common types. With combination skin, you're essentially dealing with 2 or more different skin types on your face. Typically, you'll see oiliness in your T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, while your cheeks and the area around your eyes feel normal or even dry. This means you might get breakouts on your nose but experience flakiness on your cheeks simultaneously. It requires a more strategic approach, treating different zones of your face according to their specific needs. Finally, there's sensitive skin. This is less of a type and more of a condition that can accompany oily, dry, or combination skin. If your skin frequently reacts with redness, itching, stinging, or burning sensations when you apply new products, you likely have sensitive skin. Common triggers include fragrances, alcohol, harsh exfoliants, and even certain essential oils. Your skin's barrier is often compromised, making it highly reactive to external factors. Managing sensitive skin is all about a less is more approach, focusing on gentle, soothing ingredients and always patch testing new products before applying them to your entire face. Once you understand your type, everything changes. You can choose a cleanser, moisturizer, and treatments that are specifically formulated to support your skin's unique biology. Your skincare routine stops being a source of stress and starts becoming an effective, empowering ritual. You're no longer just treating symptoms, you're addressing the root cause, creating a foundation for long-term skin health. This is where your journey to glowing, balanced skin truly begins. Now that you have a better understanding of your skin type, let's build your foundational routine. Forget the complicated 10-step regimens you see online. The path to clear, healthy skin doesn't start with an arsenal of products. It starts with discipline and simplicity. We're going back to basics with a non-negotiable 3-step routine that will form the bedrock of your entire skincare journey. Think of this as a reset. For the next 2 weeks, this is all you'll do. This period allows your skin to stabilize, giving you a clear baseline. It helps you understand what your skin is truly like without the interference of multiple active ingredients. This core routine is universal. It's for every skin type, every age, and every concern. It's about supporting your skin's fundamental health. Step 1 is cleansing. The goal here is to remove dirt, oil, and impurities without disrupting your skin's delicate ecosystem. We need a gentle cleanser, one that doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. If your face feels tight, dry, or squeaky clean after washing, your cleanser is too harsh. That feeling is a sign that your skin barrier has been compromised. Look for cleansers that are pH balanced, ideally around 5.5, to match your skin's natural acidity. For your morning cleanse, a simple rinse with lukewarm water might be enough, especially if your skin is dry or sensitive. In the evening, you'll want to do a more thorough cleanse to wash away the day. Use lukewarm water, never hot, and massage the cleanser into your skin with your fingertips for a full 60 seconds. This gives the ingredients time to work effectively. Then, rinse thoroughly and gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. No rubbing. Step 2 is to moisturize. Every single skin type, including oily and acne-prone, needs a moisturizer. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. A moisturizer does 2 things. It adds hydration back into the skin and, crucially, it helps lock that moisture in by supporting your skin barrier. The key is to pick one that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, look for a lightweight gel or gel cream formula that feels refreshing and won't clog pores. For dry skin, a richer cream with ingredients like ceramides or shea butter will provide more nourishment and comfort. For combination skin, you might even use a lighter moisturizer on your T-zone and a slightly richer one on your cheeks. Apply it to damp skin, right after cleansing, to trap that water and maximize hydration. Finally, the most critical step for long-term skin health: sunscreen. This is a non-negotiable, morning-only step. You must apply it every single day, no exceptions. Not just on sunny days, but on cloudy days, rainy days, and even when you're staying indoors, as UVA rays can penetrate through windows. Sun damage is the primary driver of premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and it can worsen acne marks. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. The right amount is about 2 fingers length for your face and neck. Make sure you apply it evenly, covering your entire face, your ears, and your neck. This is your daily insurance policy against sun damage. These 3 simple steps, cleanse, moisturize, and protect, work in harmony to build and maintain a healthy skin barrier. Your skin barrier is your body's frontline defense. It's a wall that keeps the good stuff, like water, in, and the bad stuff, like pollutants and bacteria, out. When it's strong, your skin is calm, hydrated, and resilient. When it's damaged, it leads to a cascade of problems: breakouts, dryness, sensitivity, redness, and dullness. This foundational routine is designed specifically to nurture that barrier. Commit to this exact 3-step routine, morning and night, minus the sunscreen at night, of course, for at least 2 consecutive weeks before even thinking about adding anything else. No serums, no masks, no exfoliants. This is your reset phase. It takes time for your skin to adjust and for your barrier to heal. Be patient. Observe your skin. Does it feel less irritated? Is it more balanced? This is how you build a relationship with your skin and create a solid foundation for any targeted treatments you may want to introduce later. Here's what's secretly holding your skin back: sleeping and makeup, over-exfoliating, not washing your pillowcases weekly, constantly touching your face, too much dairy or sugar. You can't out-serum bad habits. The fastest way to clear skin is removing what's harming it. Once your skin is balanced, then add treatments. For acne, salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. For dark spots or hyperpigmentation, niacinamide or vitamin C. For dullness and texture, gentle exfoliants like glycolic acid. For dryness, hyaluronic acid and ceramides. But don't overload your skin. 1 active at a time for at least 4 weeks is key. Your lifestyle shows up on your skin. Hydrate throughout the day. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Move your body. Manage stress. Cortisol spikes from stress can trigger breakouts and inflammation. Your outside glow always starts from within. Clear skin doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. Most people notice visible changes after 2 to 4 weeks of consistency. Don't panic if you purge. That's your skin adjusting. Take progress photos, track your routine, and celebrate the small wins. Remember, healthy skin is progress, not perfection. And that's your no BS clear skin guide. Keep it simple, consistent, and protect your skin barrier. That's how you get results that last. If this helped, tap subscribe and comment so I know you're part of the Glow Therapy community. Your glow is coming, 1 routine at a time.